most common form of diabetes, especially in the United States, not surprisingly due to the way that our food system works and our diet. It is a disease where the pancreas makes some insulin, not enough, or the body has become resistant to insulin, which is why it's called insulin resistance. And oftentimes is most common in overweight and obese populations. Again, here is a statistic that is very, very disturbing, but true. 40% of US adults are insulin resistant, which also is directly correlated to being overweight and obese and the statistics on overweight and obesity. So what is actually the mechanism of type 2 diabetes? Lifestyle, nutrition, obviously obesity and overweight, and some environmental factors could contribute to this. And what happens is that your body becomes insulin resistant. That means that it doesn't respond to the insulin that is actually produced. As a result of that, the pancreas may have to produce more insulin, which again does not get recognized or utilized by the body. This results in hyperinsulinemia. As a result of that, the liver, muscle, and fat cells can't really utilize the glucose for energy because no matter how much fuel there is, the body doesn't respond to insulin. Therefore, all the cells in the body are not able to utilize the energy as glucose. And this results in elevated blood sugar, of course, because that energy as glucose is not being utilized in the body, so it elevates, it gets in the bloodstream. And that results in type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance or acquired diabetes. Next section, I'm going to talk to you about how diabetes, if not managed or reversed, could affect one's health.